Hi guys, a bigger car collection over here in Albany, New York. You can see I'll show the one around it's 80 to 90 years old car. Just have a look. It's 2013. You can look this oldest car. It's a Ford car. They already mentioned over there it's 1951 Ford. And yeah, have a look. This is called City Hall. It's also called as Court. This car is it's not mentioned, but it's looking like too old. Yeah, it's 1933. Amazing. Now you can look over here. It's car model is 1966. What a cleanliness. Amazing. This one. They all bring their vintage car, and there is a car show here. I'll go one by one and you just have a look. Look this, amazing. And this car is 1969. Wow, great. Look the condition of this car. Even this 1968. And there are many cars over here. I'll go one by one. You just have a look. Be with me.
Enjoy your day.
This car is wow, amazing. Now going to this car, 86. It's 1986 model. What a wonderful! They just maintain their car very well. And this Ford car. And this they having all the photos over here, how they manage their cars. And this is 1966 model. Look, just you can see, wow, oh, this wonderful engine. And it's a 1960 model. And this one, Chevrolet. Wow, the main thing is to maintenance of the car. This is the car owner. This is 1954. Wow, amazing. How are you? Which one is yours car? This one 1954?
No, 69.
69. Oh, wonderful maintenance. I like it. This, yeah, so long. You can use in 1960, 65, 30, 73. This one is 73. This is 56 model, red color. Amazing. Still they have the wonderful color. They are saying do not touch. Now this is Harley Davidson. Just have a look. I'm going so fast because I have to complete within a short period of the time. And this is 1967. It's two-seater. Great. Not even a single scratch. Still the old model. All the gears are in the hand of near below the steerings. So yeah, this one you can have a look. And we are going, this one is mini Jeep. Wow, not even in a single drop of oil. You cannot see, it's everything. Now you just have a look over here. This black car, amazing. Yeah, wow, wonderful. It's 1939 model. Seriously, bro, it's 1939. Have a look. This one, amazing. Now I'll show you. There are awards are going on whose car is very old and best. Like this, you can see this 1923. Wow, my grandfather, like my grandfather. Oh, look over here. It's 1923 Ford car. Just look.
Nice tribute to Aunt Love. Richie Holiday.
This one.
The 2007 Mustang GT California Special.
Yeah, there are awards and going on over here. those who are having a good cars and good condition. There are many. You can go to the right and the left. There are many cars over here, but I like this one. This is a
It looks
wonderful
like
car.
Chris Spear from Schenectady, New York, with a 69 Toyota Red.
Yeah, 1969. Yeah. I'll show the another cars to you. This one. Just this look. Wow. Looking like a wow. 1957. Wow, great. You can check it, this one. This side, this is 1921. It's normal car. This one, have a look. There are two tires. It's separate from the lights, like a race car. Now we are looking for, it's 2002. Great. Wow, what a wonderful color. 1955 Ford. Great. Still in working condition. They're having all the registration over here, and you can see registration and the New York State safety. Everything still their work. Car are still working over here. This all the most of them they're having the Ford's car. This looks like an Ambassador which was using in 1930, 1940, 1950. Still there are very good collection, and this is, I like this one all. How looks. You like my videos? And my final word, thank you.